If you are using a Face ID iPhone, you may have probably run into iPhone may be too close. So when you have the screen distance turned on your iPhone and you give your iPhone to your children, then your iPhone will likely pop up iPhone may be too close, step away a bit. So here, I'm going to show you how to turn off iPhone may be too close. So with this, you will be able to use your iPhone whether it is too close or not. There will be no longer any warning on your iPhone screen. So if you're not of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do here is just go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down until you get to screen time. Click on that. Then under screen time, go to limit usage and locate screen distance. So the essence of the screen distance to help to reduce eye strain while using your iPhone by sending you a warning that you are too close to your iPhone, or step back a bit to reduce eye strain. Then go ahead and click on screen distance. Once you selected that, you see screen distance enabled. Now to turn off your iPhone may be too close, all you need to do is disable screen distance. And once that is done, you are good to go. And when next you are using your iPhone, whether your iPhone screen is closed or not, your iPhone will stop sending a warning message that you are too close to your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.